Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to make delicious Mexican corn tortillas. It's a simple yet tasty dish that's perfect for enjoying at home. Let's get started. Step 1. Prepare the ingredients. The ingredients you'll need include corn flour, hot water, salt, oil, and fillings. You can choose your preferred meat, vegetables, cheese, etc. Step 2. Make the dough. Mix the corn flour, salt, and hot water together and knead into a soft dough. Divide the dough into several small balls and flatten them into thin, tortilla-like shapes with your hands. Step 3. Cook the tortillas. Place the flattened tortillas on a hot pan and cook until both sides are golden brown. During the cooking process, you can brush some oil on the tortillas to make them more crispy. Step 4. Add the fillings. Place the cooked tortilla on a flat surface and add your chosen fillings. You can choose from beef, chicken, beans, onion, tomato, lettuce, cheese, and more. Step 5. Roll the tortilla. Starting from one side, roll up the tortilla with the fillings inside until it forms a burrito-like shape. Step 6. Bake the burrito. Place the rolled tortilla in the oven and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the burrito is golden brown and crispy on the outside. Step 7. Enjoy the dish. Now, your Mexican corn tortilla is ready. Serve it hot and enjoy it on its own or with your favorite dips and sauces.